Hey there! Hi, friends! My name is Ms Lilly. Can you wave and say hi?
Hi!
Hello, friends! Great job! Welcome to Learning with Ms Lilly. This is a happy place where we sing, play, and learn together. I'm so glad you're here today. Today, we are going to learn about colors and shapes. And guess what? We even have a special guest who will join us later for story time. But before we meet him, let's start learning with Ms Lilly.
Hello friends, come sing with me. It's time to learn with Ms Lilly. Colors, numbers, shapes, and fun. Learning shines for everyone. Clap your hands and wave hello. It's time to learn, come on, let's go. Every day we laugh and play. Learning with Ms Lilly.
Look, friends, it's the color red. 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 Red is like a big shiny apple. Can you clap your hands for red? Great job! Here comes the color blue. 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 Blue is like a soft, cuddly bear. Can you wave your hands for blue? Great job! Wow, friends, look at this one. It's the color yellow. 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 Yellow is like a bright star in the sky. Can you stretch your arms up high for yellow? Arms up. Up, 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 up. Arms down. Great job. Look, friends, it's the color green. 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 Green is like a block you can play with. Can you stomp your feet for green? Good job! And now we see pink. Pink. Ink. Pink. Pink is like a pretty flower. Can you blow a kiss for pink? Let's say all the colors together. Red.
Red.
Blue.
Blue.
Yellow.
Green.
Ink. Great job, friends. Now it's time for a special song. Colors of the Rainbow.
Red like the apple I hold in my hand. It's shiny, it's bright, it's sweet, and it's grand. Orange like a tiger that's ready to pounce. It's bold, it's striped, it's got a big bounce. Colors of the rainbow, oh what a sight. Dancing all around us, bringing delight. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet too. Colors of the rainbow, all just for you. Yellow like the sun that kisses the day. It's warm, it's round, it lights up our way. Green like the grass where we run and play. It's soft, it's cool, it's where we stay. Colors of the rainbow, oh what a sight. Dancing all around us, bringing delight. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet too. Colors of the rainbow, all just for you. Blue like the ocean where fish like to swim. It's deep, it's wide, it stretches to the brim. Indigo's the sky when it's time to dream. Violet's a flower in a royal beam. Colors of the rainbow, oh what a sight. Dancing all around us, bringing delight. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet too. fish like to swim. It's deep, it's wide, it stretches to the brim. Indigo's the sky when it's time to dream. Violet's a flower in a royal beam. Colors of the rainbow, all to sight, dancing all around us, bringing delight. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet too. Colors of the rainbow, all just for you.
Peekaboo!
Peekaboo and Ms Lilly. Where are you, Peekaboo and Ms Lilly? I see you. Hands up high, hands down low. Cover your eyes, now here we go. Peekaboo and Ms Lilly. I see you.
Wow, friends, that Peekaboo song was so much fun. Now it's time for a game. Peekaboo, find the baby. Are you ready? Let's go. Do you see a baby hiding? I think I might see a baby hiding behind the pink pillow. Let's look together. Ready? Peekaboo!
Hooray!
Yay! We found the baby behind the pink pillow. Hello, baby. Aha! I think another baby is hiding now. Could the baby be hiding with the stuffed animals? Let's check. Ready? Peekaboo! There's a baby hiding with the stuffed animals. Yay, we found you, baby! Okay, friends, one more time. Do you think another baby is hiding behind the yellow block? Let's see. Peekaboo! Yay! We found the baby behind the yellow block. Good job, friends. We did it! That was so much fun. We found the baby behind the pink pillow, then a baby with the stuffed animals, and another baby behind the yellow block. You helped me find 3 babies. Great job, everyone.
Learning shape
with Ms Lilly.
Alrighty, friends. Are you having fun yet?
Yay!
Yay! Now it's time to learn about shapes. Shapes are all around us, and today we're going to learn 3 special ones. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! Look, friends, this is a circle. A circle goes round and round, just like a big ball rolling across the floor. Can you roll your hands in a circle with me? Round and round and round. Wow, circles are so much fun. Now, let's look at a square. A square has 4 sides. Let's count to 4 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Squares are just like toy blocks we can stack on top of each other. Uh-oh, sometimes the blocks fall down. But that's okay, we can build them again. Here's a star. Stars shine bright up in the night sky. Twinkle, 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 Can you twinkle your fingers like a star with me? Great job! Shiny and sparkly way up high. Okay, friends, let's remember our shapes together. Circle goes round and round.
Whee!
Square stacks up, up, up. And a star twinkles in the sky. Great job, friends. You are shining stars too.
Guess who?
Hi, friends. Guess what? It's time to meet that special guest. But he's a little shy. His name is Bobo the bear, and he's Ms Lily's best friend. Can you say Bobo?
Bobo.
Do you want to help me call him out?
Yes.
Great. On the count of 3, we'll say Bobo twice. 1, 2. And I'll say, come say hi. Are you ready? Let's see if he'll come out. 1, 2, 3. Bobo! Bobo! Come say hi! Friends, I think it worked. Do you see someone peeking in the window? Yeah, so let's try it again. On the count of 3, we'll say Bobo twice. 1, 2. And I'll say, come say hi. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Bobo! Bobo! Come say hi! Oh no! Friends, where did Bobo go? I don't think Bobo is ready to come out just yet. He's still feeling a little shy today, and that's okay. Sometimes it takes a little more time to be brave. But guess what? I have something very special for us right now. It's story time, and today's story is called Ms Lily's Colorful Adventure. Ready? Let's read together.
Colorful adventure.
One sunny morning, Ms Lilly went for a walk. She saw a big red ball rolling down the hill. Wow, that's a big red ball. Next, she saw a bright yellow star shining in the sky. Ms Lilly attempted to look at the star, but it was so bright she had to look away. Then, Ms Lilly found a blue bear sitting in the grass. It looked so soft and cuddly. A blue bear. That reminds me of someone. She looked again and found a green square block in the grass. A green square. Then she spotted a pink flower by the path. So pretty and bright. A pink flower. And finally, she saw a rainbow-colored kite flying high in the sky. Wow, friends, that was such a colorful adventure. Let's remember what we saw today. A red ball, a yellow star, a blue bear, a green square, a pink flower, and a rainbow kite. Colors are everywhere. In the sky, in the trees, and even in our toys.
Sing along.
Hello friends, it's time to play. Let's learn with Ms Lilly today. Clap your hands and sing along. Learning is fun with a happy song. Roll, roll, roll the ball. It is red and round and tall. Red, red, can you say? Red ball rolling every day. Shiny star up in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, way up high. Yellow star, bright and far. Say it with me, yellow star. Look, look, a teddy bear, and it's blue, so soft and fair. Blue bear, hug it tight, say blue bear with all your might. Foresight strong, standing tall, a green square is best of all. Square, square, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, easy to see. Pink flower blooming bright, smiling in the sunshine light. Pink, pink, let's say two pink flowers smiling just for you. Up it flies into the sky. Rainbow kite is soaring high. Kite, kite, colors bright. Say rainbow kite with all your might. Red ball, yellow star, blue bear too. Green square, pink flower, rainbow kite too. Clap your hands and shout hooray. We learned with Ms Lilly today.
Bye.